black pepper, garlic, tomato rice bowl, or black pepper, garlic, tomato pilaf. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most different of the rice bowl recipes. We're going to make black pepper, garlic, tomato pilaf. We have taken around 3 medium-sized tomatoes, cut into pieces, taken off the seeds. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. onion, salt, and salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Paprika. Put in the tomato paste. Salt. Salt very good. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt and mix. Keep on sauteing. Put in quarter spoon of mix your spices and a spoon of black pepper powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Thoroughly saute mix. Pour in 1 3/4 cups of water. Mix thoroughly. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 6 to 8 minutes. Now the black pepper garlic tomato pilaf is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper garlic tomato pilaf, our black pepper garlic tomato rice bowl, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.